Hello everyone, my name is Anil and I'm with my colleague Dhakshinamoorthy who is on DS8K SME. So Dakshina, what is IBM storage DS8K?
So in a single word, DS8000 is our highly specialized enterprise class storage. Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so in IBM storage portfolio, when it comes to primary storage offering, we have two. One is DS8K, other one is IBM Flash system. IBM Flash system, I think many people already are fully aware about it.
right.
How is DS8K different from Flash system?
Yeah, DS8K, powered by our own, RISC processor and AX kernel, the processing power comes from our own power servers. Power server acting as a controller. That's where, you get high RAS features, highly reliable, highly available, highly, serviceable storage, DS8000. And moreover, not only hardware level, even it can be cyber resilient storage with our, other cyber copy functionalities. And DS8000 can be attached to mainframe as well through FICON, because mainframe requires proprietary protocol FICON as well as
It's a very
CKD
specialized
format of
protocol.
volume provisioning. So in flash system or any other open distributed storage, use GBs or TBs for provisioning, right? Mainframe requires a CKD format and cylinder format. So that format, emulated cylinder format, CKD format supported in our DS8000. So DS8000, in a nutshell, it can be attached to a mainframe as well, along with distributed or open service.
So it means DS8K is meant for mainframe attached, but you still can use it on any other mission critical or real-time transaction processing system
Yeah,
that you like your core banking environment, wherein specialized high-performing server serving there.
yeah,
We
that's correct.
rely a consistent low performance from the storage.
Yeah,
That
that's
is where you
correct.
get it.
Yeah,
And
that's
also
correct.
you said
Yeah.
it's highly secure.
Yeah, highly secured. And the key point with the mainframe attachment, the performance when it comes to storage, people, need the lowest latency, right?
Mhm.
Our DS8000 with mainframe attachment, we can offer you as low as, 16 microsecond latency.
All right,
So,
that's
which
fine.
means our performance guaranteed, right? The performance delivered.
Excellent. And the DS8K has been there in the industry for a very long time now.
Right, almost 2 decades. We have still the product is getting evolving day by day. 20 plus years maturity
20
we have.
plus years.
Yeah.
And the one which was recently something has been announced.
This September we announced DS8000 G10 generation 10 model.
10th generation.
Yeah, 10th generation, and it have a lot of market attraction now, and as well as attraction and traction. We are getting a lot of requirements from the customers for new G10 as well.
So is that something which will be available sometime next year for our Indian customers?
Yeah, for Indian customers,
Sometime next year.
yeah, sometime next year.
What is new with G10? What is coming with G10?
With G10, in hardware enhancements, we have done PCE Gen 4, all adapters, backend adapters are Gen 4, PCE Gen 4.
So
Then
speed bump. So
yeah,
you upgraded the hardware, of
yeah,
course, for
your
speed.
device to device connectivity,
Mhm.
your communication speed will get
Understood.
doubled from PCE Gen 3 to Gen 4, right? In
What
that
else?
way, Gen 4 will offer you 2x performance in terms of communication.
What else?
Then uh, we offer our own engineered flash core models which will support inline compression like capacity efficiency features, right? Flash core module is nothing but a computational storage. Each flash core module you consider small DS8000 storage systems, meaning it has internally it has computing power, 4 core ARM processor or FPGA, and then tiny amount of memory, and then bank of NAND flash to store your media.
So it's
So that
again,
computational storage will be able to offer with that computational storage flash core model, we'll be able to offer compression capabilities, to our end customer without any performance penalty.
and they are also self-encrypting drives. So
Yeah,
you can
those are all
offload both.
self-encrypting drive, which is based on AES 256-bit XTS encryption.
Excellent.
Okay.
And when it comes to enterprise storage, of course, when you say enterprise storage, like we also talk about how high the availability is, how do I maintain my disaster recovery copies and stuff like that. How do DS8K place there?
Yeah, in a simple statement, I can say DS8000 can offer four-way storage level replication with 2 to 4 seconds RPU for even for a long distance
Four-way
application,
replication.
four-way storage replication.
So one volume I can have 3 additional copies
Right,
in
right.
3 different sites.
Right, right. With a primary DC to near DC will have anyway zero data loss, zero RPO solution. With long distance. These days, even in India, based on RB regulations and other stuff, people are moving towards four site replication solutions, right? That's where DS8000 maybe a right fit. Meaning
Can I
four
say it's
site.
best in class in that case when it
Yeah,
comes to
in that
copy
case,
services?
you can say best in class copy services for four site storage level replication.
Excellent.
Yeah.
And what are the so is it if I have a different kind of requirement, I could have a requirement for 200 terabytes or 600 terabytes or 1 petabyte requirement. So you'll have different class of devices which will be available.
Yeah, that's
Or
correct. Even some of our customers thinks that the moment I say DS8000 is our enterprise class, highly specialized storage, powered by a power controllers, people think that it's way expensive, right? It's not the case. We have various offering within DS8000 Gen10 umbrella to cater various use cases. Meaning we have rackless model as well, then racked system with systems with expansion racks for multi-petabyte capacity. So we have four offerings to meet different or evolving customer needs.
all right. One thing before I wind up now is at the beginning of this conversation you talked about is a highly specialized or engineered box
Right.
for high-end enterprise requirement or let's say mission critical requirement and stuff like that, right? So how is that architecture different from any standard architecture that we have seen in the industry?
So in DS8000 we use three-layer architecture. Like other systems usually use a two controller and then expansion attachment in a daisy chain way, right? In our DS8000, we use shared everything architecture and three-layer. The one is a host or front-end layer where we will have front-end FCR PyCon adapters which will get attached to your SAN fabric. Then mid-layer is our processor complex. That's where your IO or transaction gets processed with the cache, everything.
Is that where it's all done by IBM Power Systems?
IBM Power Systems with AX, based.
It's a very secure
very
processing
secured
environment.
operating system because the vulnerabilities, security exposures are very very less in AX when compared to x86 footprint, right? Then third layer is device adapter, which usually used for drive rebalancing, checksum calculation for based on the RAID. We offer two RAID 6 and RAID 10. Those RAID checksum calculation, if there is any faulty drive, then RAID rebalancing. Those kind of jobs will done by device adapter. Again, device adapter will have its own processing power.
All right.
Okay.
So it's a very resilient or rather.
Yeah, more resilient way.
How about when you do code update? Does it require for any downtime or it's all online code upgrade and stuff?
This is again since this is a enterprise class storage, we offer
That is expected.
NDU like
Non-disruptive
non-disruptive
code
upgrade
upgrade.
to your application infra.
Excellent.
Right.
All right, so that's a quick snapshot on what IBM DS8K is and what is there in IBM DS8K Generation 10. And hope this conversation give you a little idea on this offering. And we hope to see you next time in another deep dive in maybe one of the features on DS8K.
Right.
We
Yeah.
can have
Sure.
a series of conversation.
Sure, we'll do that.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.